Today is the day 12 of the 21-day headstand mastery. I'm going to show you something really nice today. We're going to be practicing headstand against the rope. Like we're going to take support of the wall. So if you have this in your place wherever you practice, it just makes the practice much more simpler. So for this, we're going to need one pair of ropes, okay? And then we're going to take another one. We're going to tie it up like this. So if your rope is like this, you put one end inside, bring it out, and then you put the other end here, and then you tie a knot over here. You do this. After that, use the other end of the rope, put it inside, just one knot. That's it. This will do. So this is where you'll be supporting your lower back. So we've got this ready. Now we're going to need a pair of blankets. I'm going to get a pair of blanket. So here you go. I've been using this blanket for almost 11 days right now. So I'm going to just put this blanket on the rope over here. This just gives a cushioning effect for my lower back, because you may feel like, okay, the rope is very hard against your lower back. Okay, so this is ready right now. I've kept the blankets over here. So now from here, I'm gonna use this for my lower back. I'm gonna support it for my lower back. I'm going to catch hold of the rope first, and then from there I'm going to walk up, adjust the distance accordingly. You see, I first keep my foot on the edge. You see this? My body is now in this landing position. I never let go of the rope. So from here I'm going to bend and move the thighs outside, or before that itself, you can just move the legs a little bit up. You bend, and then you move the foot close to one another, join the foot to one another, and then slowly let go. And once you're here, and once you feel like, okay, there's no way for you to fall down, just let go of the hands and support the palms on the floor. Join the palms and just close your eyes and then relax. So this is how you do headstand against the wall with the support of the rope. If you're very comfortable, you can just wrap the arms around. You can just close your eyes, slow down your breath, breathe. You can start to stay here from 1 minute, and you can extend the stay even for up to 30 minutes. You'll feel very, very relieved in the entire back. And when you want to come up, first let go of the hands. You first catch hold of the rope, you lift the head, and then you straighten the leg, and then you drop the foot first on the edge of the wall, and then from there you come down. Okay, so in this, if you noticed, my hands almost were touching the floor, or it did touch the floor. This is because I'm using the rope that is a bit long. So if I'm going to use a rope that is this short, let's see what happens. First, I'm going to take the blanket out. Now I'm going to do the same thing what I did over there. So I'm going to get this end of the rope, put it inside, put it on the other end, and then I straighten this, and then I do the same on the other side. It's just that I just put a knot. That's it. Okay, now since I'm using the shorter rope, let's see what's gonna happen now. First, I'm gonna keep the blankets, one or two, how much ever you want. Now I'm going to catch hold of it. I'm just going to make sure it's touching the lower back. I'm going to hold the rope. I'm going to come up. I'm going to walk a little bit up. And then I move the thighs out. I move the foot up. And then I slowly come down. So as you can notice here, this time my palms are touching the floor. Why? It's a very simple reason, because I'm using the shorter rope. I rest the palms, I rest the back of the head on the wall, and then I just stay there. Even here, you can start by staying in this posture for 30 seconds, and by practice, you'll be able to stay even for up till 20 minutes or 30 minutes. It depends on your level of comfort. When you want to come down, come up, first hold the rope, lift the head, come up, and then you gently drop the leg. And then you bend the leg, come down. So most of you, once you start to practice the immersion with respect to the rope, by using the rope, you will actually find it very difficult for you to come up once you have gone down. So for this, you take support of another person, another friend, or a fellow practitioner, or the teacher who is next to you, so that they can hold your lower back and then they can lift you up. How this is done, I've attached a video of how you can lift the other person up. If you're doing this for the first time, you can just go through that. But if you've been practicing for quite some time, and if you have developed a certain level of strength in the waist, and the legs have become a little bit light because of practicing a lot of standing asanas, you'll find this very easy. So I hope this was informative. Please do give this a try and let me know how you felt in the comments below. I really look forward to reading them. If you haven't practiced my earlier, the 11 days of 11 different variations, please do give this a try, and you'll find all the links for all the 11 different variations in the description below. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.